Mark, the party is tonight. We need burritos, hamburgers, drinks, and ice cream.
I forgot this! I'm not ready.
Don't worry. We'll shop together. You'll practice English while we shop. And you'll learn how to shop in English.
Should I take this basket?
A basket is for a few items. A cart is for many items.
So, a cart. I need a shopping cart.
Good. Remember, use a basket when you only need a few things. Use a cart when you need many things.
Okay.
Lucy, what do you call this long path between the shelves?
It's called an aisle. The letter S is silent. Listen. Aisle.
Aisle. The milk is in aisle 5.
Perfect. Now we're in the produce section. Produce means fruits and vegetables. Repeat with me. Produce.
Produce.
Do we want one apple or do we want a bag of apples?
A bag of apples.
Perfect. Now look at these bananas. They're soft and yellow. They're ripe, which means they are ready to eat.
Ripe. These bananas are ripe. This means they are ready to eat.
Perfect. Great. Let's review. A basket is for a few items. A cart is for many items. The word aisle has a silent S. Produce means fruits and vegetables. We can buy a single apple or a bag of apples. And when we say that a fruit is ripe, it means that it is ready to eat.
Easy. I'm ready for more.
For burritos, we need ground beef. At the counter, you can say, "Can I have 1 pound of ground beef, please?"
Can I have 1 pound of ground beef, please?
Excellent. And for hamburgers, we need patties.
I'd like a pack of hamburger patties.
Great. This is also the deli counter. Here you can ask, "Can I have a pound of cheese, please?"
Can I have a pound of cheese, please?
Excellent. For hamburgers, we need buns. For burritos, we need tortillas.
Buns?
Yes. When we talk about the small breads for sandwiches, we call them buns.
I need a pack of hamburger buns.
Yes. And I need a pack of tortillas.
Tortillas. Okay.
We also need beans.
Where? I don't see them.
You can ask like this. "Excuse me, where can I find the beans?"
Excuse me, where can I find the beans?
Perfect. Sometimes canned food is on sale, or there's a sign that says BOGO. That means buy one, get one free.
BOGO. Buy one, get one free.
For drinks, we need water, soda, and juice.
We need a bottle of water, a bottle of soda, and a bottle of juice.
Brr, it's cold here. This is a refrigerated area. Let's take a tub of ice cream.
A tub?
Yes. We call a container of ice cream a tub.
We need a tub of ice cream.
We also need disposable items, paper plates, cups, napkins, and plastic cutlery.
Disposable means use once, then throw away, right?
Exactly. Say, I need paper plates and cups.
I need paper plates and cups.
And I need plastic cutlery.
Plastic cutlery.
Yes. Plastic cutlery means plastic forks, knives, and spoons.
Okay. We need plastic cutlery.
Good job. Let's review this part. Meat. Ground beef, patties, deli counter, and cheese. Bakery,
Hamburger buns and tortillas.
cans. Beans, on sale, and buy one, get one free. Drinks,
Bottles of water, soda, and juice.
frozen food,
A tub of ice cream.
party supplies, plates, cups, napkins, and plastic cutlery.
That's a lot, but I remember. Look, the express line.
Careful. The express line is only for people with 10 items or less. We have more, so we need another line.
Hello. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, thank you.
Perfect. Do you want to pay with cash or with card?
Card.
In the United States, you can insert the card or tap the card.
Insert or tap. Okay.
Do you want plastic bags or paper bags?
Paper bags, please.
Now let's load the groceries into the cart.
The party is ready.
Quick review. The express line is for 10 items or less. The cashier often asks, "Did you find everything you were looking for?" You can pay with cash or card. With a card, you can insert or tap. You may choose plastic bags or paper bags.
Perfect. I can do this in English now.
Today, we practiced many useful words. Quantities, dozen, bag, bottle, pound, tub and can, places, aisle, produce section, deli counter, bakery, and frozen section. Phrases, on sale, buy one, get one free. Excuse me, where can I find? And did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes. And I practiced repeating them.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, tell us, what is something you always buy at the supermarket?
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily English lessons.
See you next time.